तो ले भी जाऊँ, बट आज के टाइम पे आई फील, देखो मैं नोट्स भी बना के लाया हूँ तो अपने फ़ोन पे लाया हूँ, एंड it's unimaginable how this technology is changing our lives. Although it has certain positive elements that it can enhance our productivity, it has given us information just one click away. But the thing is that it has reduced our attention span. It has made us addicted to the dopamine that is coming because of using the phone. So what I would suggest is you should be very vigilant of your cyber hygiene. आप अपने फ़ोन को मिनिमम यूज़ करिए, रेस्ट्रिक्ट द यूजेज, यूज़ द फोकस मोड। जब आप पढ़ रहे हो तो अपने फ़ोन को अपने मम्मी पापा को दे दो, ठीक है। आप सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत ही संभल करके चीज़ों को पोस्ट करो, बिकॉज द थिंग इज दैट विद द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस and the deep fakes, you must have seen that Rashmi Mandana fiasco. Usmein you should be very much vigilant because it's in your hand. The onus is on you. कि किस तरीके से आप अपने आप को साइबर स्पेस में सिक्योर रखते हो और किस तरीके से आप इंफॉर्मेशन को क्रिएटिवली यूज करते हो। अगर आप चैट जीपीटी यूज कर रहे हो तो मेक इट, यूज इट क्रिएटिवली ना, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ skeleton of the answer, ठीक है, but make it more creative, write answers कहीं ना, write examples कहीं ना कहीं से, use good examples, तो उसको और आप एक beautiful answer में तब्दील कर सकते हो, ठीक है। So that's one thing that I want you people to focus on. Be very mindful in this social media age and be very much vigilant. The safety is in your safety is in your hands. Now, my life has always been about competitions only. Sometimes very unhealthy and sometimes very healthy. There are a number of skills I would say which I have acquired throughout my life, and that's just because of the kind of competitive spirit I have. For example, let me tell you, I had this friend, Ishit Srivastava, during my early days. He used to be a really great dancer, ठीक है। So when I used to see him dance, I used to feel that ये इतना अच्छा कैसे डांस कर सकता है। I also want to do that, and in that particular competition, I started to learn how to dance. Then he picked up playing guitar. उसको देखते देखते मैं गिटार भी बजाने लगा। Once I was reading this particular book, H.G. Wells का The Invisible Man. उसमें I felt कि how can H.G. Wells write so well? Why am I not able to write so well? So I started to emulate the style of Shakespeare, H.G. Wells, and that's how I developed the skills of writing, I would say, difficult kind of an English, which my sister says that no one is able to understand. So this is the kind of thing which I want you people to have. A healthy kind of competition रखिए, एक अच्छा peer group रखिए जिसमें कि you are able to learn from each other, ठीक है। अभी if you people will want, I'll share with you कि कैसे JEE या UPSC के particular queries हैं, मैं आप पूछोगे तो मैं बता दूंगा, वैसे मैं बोर नहीं करूँगा। इसके अलावा एक लास्ट चीज़ मुझे जो बतानी है कि we as a civilization we have been evolving, ठीक है। Earlier during my days when I was in school, people used to make a lot of fun of each other. अभी आज नहीं पता, stuttering का काफी मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, if someone is obese उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था। I myself was very fat, but मेरा कभी कोई मजाक इसलिए नहीं उड़ाया था because I was a bully, ठीक है, and I used to give it back to them. तो मुझे कोई मोटू तो नहीं हो पाया।
I thought that you were a good student, that's why you are not winning.
No, it was just because I was a bully and no one could dare speak it to me. But ऐसा है कि कई लोगों को बड़ा इशू होता है, एक inferiority complex आ जाता है। मेरा coping mechanism क्या था, to deal with my fat, I did not used to talk to girls. I deliberately kept them at one hand's distance so that I used to think कि अगर मैं ही बात नहीं करूँगा तो मुझे ऐसा rejection type फील ही नहीं होगा।
So good day of, good day of highlighting yourself.
तो
सोच रहा है इसलिए आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ।
That was the purpose. Your ambition was always higher than others. So, you have achieved your ambition what is that. नहीं बट ये तो मैं इसी क्लास में लूँगा क्योंकि मुझे खुद 15 के पिकअप करने में जितने दिन से सोच रहा हूँ खाली हो नहीं रहा है.
So the whole purpose was of our talking about this was कि coping mechanism का एक वही नहीं आना चाहिए, पॉइंट ही नहीं आना चाहिए, बिकॉज सबके साथ कहीं ना कहीं सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ कमियां होती हैं. एंड व्हाट आई फील इज कि as a community which is evolving as with a higher order of intelligence and subconscious mind, we should be becoming more and more empathetic. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक दूसरे की कमियों से ज़्यादा हमें एक दूसरे की स्ट्रेंथ देखनी चाहिए. अगर मान लो कि if someone is I would say stuttering, let us say अगर उसको speech का problem है तो and let us say he plays a very good guitar, ठीक है, तो you should encourage him कि नहीं यार देखो कितना बढ़िया गिटार बजाता है, you are a star, ठीक है, you are magnificent, ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद what you should do कि kindly just be very kind and polite and ऐसे बोलने का कि थोड़ा सा ये इशू है, let us work on it together. इससे क्या होगा कि the social capital will become more cohesive as a society. There will be more love and tolerance, and the onus is on you people because you are the future generations. You are the wealth of this nation. You are going to build this particular nation. These words might sound to be very huge, but I would say that literally the responsibility is on your shoulders. Okay? So इस तरीके से just be very loving and kind to each other and point out the strengths more than the weaknesses, right? In the end, I would like to say that we should never give up in our lives. Give up नहीं करना चाहिए, perseverance का हमेशा होना चाहिए, and we should try to win our battles on a daily basis because it is said that champions are made by giving their best today, the next day, and tomorrow. ठीक है? तो इससे क्या होगा कि if you are able to win the battles on every day, it will give you an incentive to go ahead, right? And I know कि future की uncertainty होगी, ठीक है? There will always be storms. Luza ने Alcott has said that I am not afraid of the storms, for I am learning to sail my boat. ठीक है? Life is just about learning, ठीक है? And even if the storms come, have the attitude of an eagle, because storms bring out the eagles and little birds take to the shelter. ठीक है? So be that eagle, be that lion, ठीक है? And roar in that fashion in the face of any adversity which you are going to face. शिव मंगल सिंह सुमन जी की क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, संघर्ष पथ पर जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं. ठीक है? So you should not be afraid of losing. So what can I say? I can just say that you are the future, the sentinels of our prosperity and growth. Always remember that rights flow from the performance of duties. आपका साधारण शब्दों में बोलूं कि आपके कुछ राइट्स हैं, राइट? कि मैं खुलेआम कुछ बोल पाऊँ, मैं कहीं भी जा सकूँ, मैं मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी का फ्रीडम हो. आप लोग फंडामेंटल राइट्स के बारे में पढ़ते होंगे, बट आपके फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज भी तो हैं. क्या है आपके फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज? चिप्स खा करके जो रैपर है उसको डस्टबिन में डालिए. ठीक है? कोई अगर if there is a blind person, you help him cross the road. ठीक है? These are little duties which if you are going to fulfill, you will be becoming a great citizen of this great country. Also, you must not ask what the country can do for you, but ask what you can do for the country. ठीक है? And this spirit cumulatively will help the country prosper, right? And in the end, it's just the let's together. I'm elder to you, but still young. So let's together write history in colors which are unimagined by anyone across the oceans, the mountains, the deserts and the seas. And let us take this India to a paradigm of new India which our Prime Minister has envisaged. And let's all say in unison, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai